Emma, where are we going?
Ripley's Aquarium.
What we gonna do?
Look at fishies!
Hey guys, the kids decided they wanted to go check out Ripley's Aquarium in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina today, and I figured why not make a video and let you guys tag along with us so that you can see what it's all about. The first thing that we did when we got there is we went to the stingray exhibit where you can pet the stingrays. In this particular exhibit, there are some southern stingrays, which are the big guys that are a brownish color, and then there's also some cow nose stingrays that are smaller and have a rounded fat nose like a cow, so I guess that's where they get their name from. We also got to get up close and personal with a zebra shark. I could have stayed here all day and just hung out and watched these guys. It's pretty cool. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as we did.
So you can find these fish anywhere from Madagascar to Hawaii, living on coral reefs. So here's Madison in now. Like I said, she is in here to feed the fish. So these are some green algae sheets. As you can see, they go very fast. They're a very popular snack. But if you all like sushi, it's the same stuff you wrap your sushi in, so you guys can eat that as well. Now that the green algae sheets are gone, Madison has pulled out a very fancy, high-tech scientific feeding device. It's called a clear ketchup bottle. Now there is no ketchup in there. There is some Pacific krill, which is kind of like a tiny little shrimp. So she's going to go all around the tank here. She'll get that pea krill into the nooks and crannies of the coral. So the smaller fish that might be a little bit more shy do get a chance to eat as well. Now, these fish may act like they're starving. I promise they're not. They get fed a lot throughout the day. So divers get into this tank every other hour to feed the fish. And throughout the day, they're going to get a lot of different types of food. So each show, they're going to get that bottle of pea krill, those green algae sheets you saw. They're also going to get 2 quarts of clams, 2 heads of bok choy lettuce, like you might put in a salad. And in between the shows, we'll throw in a mixture of fish food pellets, like you might feed your fish at home. So we were not here to grow the coral. Also, you can see here that Madison is a very skilled diver, but if she were to kick or touch a little piece of real coral, it could damage the colony, and it's a pretty tight tank to have a diver swimming around in. So you're not going to see any real coral in this tank, but you will see real coral in our living coral tank located in our living gallery. So this tank can hold up to 1,000 fish. Right now we have around 900, between 50 and 60 different species. Now a lot of the fish in here are going to be in the surgeonfish, tang, or butterfly fish families.